Sometimes a man has to do the unthinkable, like eat something medium rare. Oh! Makes complete sense. I eat more and exercise less than the most succulent pig. Of course I'm delicious.
Hey there, Homer Aloner. In the absence of the missus, you want something delicious?
Ugh. Oh, disgusting.
Homer Simpson, you don't like steak anymore?
Actually, I've become a bit of a megan.
You eating forbidden fruit?
Fruit? Ugh. Sorry, Flanders, but I've got more delicious meat in my little finger than you have on this whole picnic table. I have really gone to a lot of trouble not to leave the house.